We are pleased to show you the 2014 Santa Fe. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.